First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
So we have a weak disturbance still moving through the area, but it's kind of losing its punch. Here at the surface, we're really dry. So we just have the clouds above us, maybe a sprinkle or two, even that's not even reaching the ground. And as we look at First Alert live Doppler radar, not seeing any returns there. So I think we're going to escape this disturbance without really any precipitation. There could be a little raindrop or sprinkle here and there, but again, not a big deal. 48 degrees currently. As we take a look at mesonet sites around south central Kentucky, we're seeing that temperatures are pretty much maintaining the mid to upper 40s, close to 50 degrees, like over in Munfordville, 49. Your temperature there, same for Burkesville, 48 Scottsville, 49 in Greenville and Madisonville. 50, that's the only 50-degree reading we're seeing right now. That's in Franklin. So it all depends on how much cloud cover you have versus if you have a little bit of sunshine peeping through. And here in Bowling Green, as we look down Scottsville Road, you can see, shady area here as you head out to Lovers Lane and Campbell Lane. And then you see a little bit of sun there and then clouds. It's kind of that way. It's just kind of a mix of cloud cover and partial sunshine as we're looking outside. 48 degrees currently with a west-southwesterly wind at 5, humidity 56%, and the pressure is holding steady. As we take a look at some of our weather cams, the AAA Systems Weather Cam Network, you're seeing a little blue breaking through some of the clouds up in Litchfield, 47. After starting at 39 for a low temperature this morning, but you head north into Hart County and look at the sunshine there with a temperature of 49 after starting at 38 early this morning. Glasgow, a mix of clouds and sunshine, 47 after starting at 37 for a low temperature this morning. In Mammoth Cave National Park, you're looking at some partial sunshine. We're actually mostly sunny there, 47 degrees. 46, make it 48. We just went up 2 degrees at the Bowling Green Airport with a little bit of that sun that you saw there coming out on Scottsville Road. Temperatures off to the north, slightly cooler, upper 30s to low 40s. We're actually pacing 3 degrees warmer than we were at midday yesterday. Radar showing that disturbance just kind of falling apart as it hits some of the drier air. There are some light rain showers around Indy, maybe as far south as Bloomington, almost into the metro Louisville area. And then you can see in eastern Kentucky, they're getting a little bit of light rain showers there. But this thing is already past us in the Bowling Green area. So as I mentioned, maybe a sprinkler or two, not a big deal. And then the skies will slowly start to clear out later this evening as high pressure takes over. But that's going to set us up for the first possible hard freeze. It looks like it is pretty likely that it's going to happen tonight, for sure tomorrow night. But with tonight, skies clearing, high pressure nearby, calm wind, perfect setup for a hard freeze. And when we say a hard freeze, that means a temperature around 28 or so or colder. And certainly with the hard freeze setting in tonight, that's going to put an end to the growing season. Tomorrow night, even colder than what we're expecting tonight. So mainly cloudy, but still occasionally the sun will break through that overcast sky. There's still maybe a minor chance of a sprinkle, 52 this afternoon. Then a very frosty and cold 28 for an overnight low tonight with that freeze warning that's in effect. And then for tomorrow, we're looking at a high of 50 and mostly sunny, 26 though. Late tomorrow night into early Saturday, but for homecoming on the hill at Western, looking good there at 58. 60 on Sunday, a nice warm-up. As we get into the middle and beginning of next week, in the middle of next week, a storm system moving through the plains. It's going to warm us up, but it will also bring us a chance for thunderstorms, maybe for Halloween and the day after. Well, stay tuned. We'll be back with more Midday Live in just a minute.